Hey guys, what's up? This is my first video, so don't judge. Because it might be pretty bad. And my dog.
Like always.
He has moved away.
Who is this special god?
Okay, don't ask who that is. That's my stepbrother.
No. I am Brookie Boy 6. And I have my own YouTube channel.
Okay, he has a YouTube channel. What's his?
So go and follow me, Brookie Boy 6.
Yeah, I'll put that.
recheck that. But before I'll put
it in the description
down below, and that's going to be after I check.
I have my stylus here with me. Can't stand it. I love it. Just like it.
I think it's time for fun.
Pretty much, yeah. Okay,
so what do you think we should be doing right now?
Okay, I need to make a stand for my iPad.
Guys.
Because I am filming on my iPad. Just saying. Oh God. What happened?
And the light changes on you.
Oh, it went all dark. It doesn't matter. Don't give me a fright. Brooklyn, can you please move your iPad?
No.
No, I need it. I need it to move.
Yeah.
Like actual properly move, like off the bed.
There.
Brooklyn. Okay, I don't know what it is.
Spaceship. Oh my gosh. We should be very twerk. Oh.
What is it? Oh my God! He just peed on my bed. Okay, this was very weird. So guys, I hope you can follow me. Follow me on just. You can get me on messages.
iMessages and FaceTime. So
And Snapchat.
we'll put the link down below. You can also follow me. What?
It stinks.
Okay,
Okay, bye.
bye.